Hi and welcome back to Polymer Clay channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Gail. I make things from polymer clay and I'll show you how to do it. So today I'm going to show you how to make a journal cover and make a really boring book into something quite fancy. So here we go. Okay, so this is what I'm starting with. So this is the book that I'm going to cover and it's just a little simple book, lined pages, nice and plain and ready for some great decorations. So obviously the decorations aren't going to go straight on here because I'm going to have to put it in the oven. So this is what I've got this tile for. So I've got some things on it, but you're going to need a tile that you can move around and then pop in the oven with all the bits and pieces that you make. So I'm going to start with Fimo Professional. That's what I'm going to use today. And then I've got a little mould here. This is a really pretty design. You probably can't see too well how it's going to turn out, but it's actually really lovely. So I'm going to be using this mould with the black clay. And then I'm going to be making some of my own shapes and then printing them in this swirly design. I've got a little cutter, little heart cutter here that I'm going to be using as well. And then I've got some different colours. Now I really like the aquamarine, gold, dark sort of bronze look. So I'm going to go with that sort of style. So I've got some glitter that coordinates with the actual book and this colour. And then these two are going to complement. Okay, and lastly I've got my two tissue plates, two dotting tools, my craft knife and my two plastic blunt mark tools, and then I've got a little paintbrush. These are dotting tools. If you haven't seen any of my videos before, these are by Sculpey Studio and they have dots on one end and then rubber parts on the other for smoothing. These are absolutely brilliant and worth the £10 or £15 investment. Excellent things. Okay, so I'm going to make a start with what I've got here.
slowly. I think I'm crazy. I think it's crazy. Think I'm slowly. I think I'm crazy. I think it's crazy. Think I'm slowly. I think I'm crazy. I think it's crazy. I'm slowly, I think I'm crazy. I think it's crazy. Think I'm slowly, I think I'm crazy. I think it's crazy. Think I'm slowly, I think I'm crazy. I think it's crazy. Think I'm slowly.
Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So it's turned into a really pretty flower design, which I really liked. As I kept going with it, the more it turned into a flower design, the more I sort of went with it. So I really like that style. And then obviously having the swirly bits, I quite often do swirls in my designs. It's just happened to be my style. And then I made the little dots. And I used some of the mica powder, glitter, and also the liquid clay as well, just to give it a bit of sparkle, you know, sort of make it look like the background as well. And then I added the little journal sign at the top. I always put some writing in somewhere in my designs, and I really enjoyed doing it. So this is how you make a journal cover from polymer clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Oi, I'm sweating, I'm very, very hot. So it's turned into an absolutely amazing piece of artwork, really. So even if I do say so myself, which I wish it was,